welcome back guys to another video. So long time no see. Real quick, we're just going to be installing new tail lights on the 240. Alright, so I got the panels off for plastic one and the thing so we can get into the headlights. So we're going to be doing this one. Pretty easy. I'm going to disconnect these. Disconnect nothing here. Move this aside, bingo. Real easy. Check it out. So now that you have it off, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna have a little gunk glue stuff all over it. Just take it off. I'll show you guys how to do it right now. Pretty easy. Ripperino. Gotta make sure right here though. So they actually came out pretty good. Not bad. I dig it. So taillights actually came out pretty sick. I dig how it looks. That's pretty much it for today. Nothing too major. That's all I've really done to the car. The only update I have right now is the motor that's going in now is a dual cam. So this is how the K would have looked. Nor the wiring, but would have been fresh to go. Got rid of the electric fans. Unfortunately, had rod knock. So now we're going dual cam. You can see the pillars that I'm painting for the car. And hood's getting painted. Probably this color. Or this color, probably this color. Also got shout out to PBM sending out these hood risers. Gonna look tight with the hood and everything.